When it comes to enhancing the beauty and functionality of your home, few upgrades have as much impact as installing bay windows. Known for their elegant, expansive design and ability to bring in more natural light, bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that can significantly improve both the curb appeal and value of your home. In Bel Air, where homes often feature a mix of traditional and contemporary styles, bay windows offer an ideal way to elevate the look and feel of your property. In this article, we'll explore how bay windows can enhance the curb appeal of your Bel Air home, while also increasing its value. From aesthetic benefits to long-term investment potential, bay windows are a smart choice for homeowners looking to improve their property's exterior and interior appeal. Dramatic impact on curb appeal. Curb appeal is crucial in Bel Air, where homes are often large and situated in picturesque neighborhoods. The exterior of your home plays a significant role in making a positive first impression, both for guests and potential buyers. Bay windows, with their distinct multi-pane design that extends outward from the wall, immediately draw attention and add character to any home. By incorporating bay windows, you create a visually striking feature that stands out in your home's facade. These windows add depth and dimension to your exterior, making your home appear more spacious and inviting. Whether your home is traditional, modern, or somewhere in between, bay windows effortlessly complement any architectural style and make a statement. The ability to add a stylish focal point to your home's exterior instantly increases its overall attractiveness, enhancing its curb appeal and making it more appealing to onlookers. Increased natural light and views. One of the key benefits of bay windows is their ability to bring in more natural light. The extended design of bay windows allows light to stream into your living space from multiple angles, brightening up the room and creating a more open and airy atmosphere. This extra sunlight can make your home feel larger and more welcoming, a feature that will undoubtedly impress visitors or potential buyers. For homes in Bel Air, where many properties boast stunning views of the surrounding cityscape, nature, or the beautiful hillside, bay windows are the perfect way to frame those views. The expansive glass panes offer unobstructed sightlines, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your living room, dining area, or bedroom. Whether you're overlooking the city or your lush garden, bay windows enhance your ability to enjoy the scenery, adding both beauty and functionality to your space. Additional interior space and functionality. In addition to improving the look and feel of your home, bay windows can also provide practical benefits by increasing your interior space. The outward extension of bay windows creates a small alcove or nook, offering more usable space inside your home. Whether you're looking to create a cozy reading nook, a small seating area, or additional space for plants or decor, bay windows give you the flexibility to personalize the space in a way that suits your lifestyle. In Bel Air, where homes often have expansive square footage, bay windows can add functional value to even the largest rooms. By providing extra space without requiring major alterations or expansions, bay windows help you make the most of your home's interior and provide an additional area that adds to your home's appeal and practicality. Increased home value. When it comes to home improvements, bay windows are one of the most effective upgrades for increasing a home's resale value. In Bel Air, where real estate is highly competitive, installing bay windows can help set your home apart from others on the market. These windows are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, offering more natural light, better views, and additional interior space, features that homebuyers actively seek. Bay windows make a home feel more spacious, inviting, and luxurious, which can make it more desirable to potential buyers. As an investment, bay windows offer a high return on investment, ROI, making them a valuable addition to your property. When you decide to sell your home, the enhanced curb appeal and added interior space provided by bay windows can result in a faster sale and a higher asking price. Energy efficiency and comfort. In addition to their aesthetic and functional benefits, bay windows can also improve the energy efficiency of your home. Modern bay windows are often equipped with energy-efficient features, such as double or triple glazing, low E-glass coatings, and insulated frames, all of which help to reduce heat loss during the winter and prevent heat gain during the summer. For homeowners in Bel Air, where the temperature can fluctuate, these energy-efficient features make bay windows a smart choice. By improving your home's insulation and reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems, bay windows can help lower your energy bills and increase the comfort of your home year-round. Additionally, the reduction in energy consumption can contribute to a smaller carbon footprint, making your home more eco-friendly. Low maintenance and durability. Bay windows are not only a beautiful addition to your home but also durable and low maintenance. Many modern bay windows are made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are resistant to weathering, fading, and corrosion. These materials require minimal upkeep, ensuring that your bay windows continue to look great and perform well for years to come. This low-maintenance quality is particularly important for homeowners in Bel Air who want to enjoy the benefits of their bay windows without the hassle of constant repairs or upkeep. Whether you're concerned about the upkeep of your exterior or simply want a window that will last, bay windows provide a durable, hassle-free solution. Conclusion: bay windows are a fantastic way to enhance both the curb appeal and value of your Bel Air home. With their ability to add style, natural light, and functionality, bay windows create a lasting impression that increases the attractiveness and marketability of your property. Additionally, their practical benefits, such as providing additional interior space, improving energy efficiency, and offering breathtaking views, make them a smart investment for homeowners looking to upgrade their living spaces. Whether you're renovating your home, preparing to sell, or simply looking to add a unique architectural feature, bay windows offer a stylish and valuable solution that will elevate your home for years to come.